Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. Kumusta kayo? For today's video, I will be teaching you how to use para kay, para kina, and para sa. In this lesson, you are going to learn when to use para kay, para kina, and para sa. And then later on, I will show you some sample sentences using them. Let's begin with para kay and para kina. So both are used when it is followed by names of people. The difference is that para kay is used when it is followed by just one person. If it's more than one, you say para kina. Halimbawa, para kay Hilda, for Hilda. Para kay Abel, for Abel. So Hilda is the name of a person, so is Abel, and they're both just one, hence we use para kay. Now, if it's two or more persons, we say para kina. Halimbawa, para kina Joanna at Riza, for Joanna and Riza. Para kina Gary, Gina at May, for Gary, Gina, and May. So again, these are names of people and they're more than one. Therefore, we use para kina. You may also use para kay and para kina if there was a title stated as long as the name of the person was stated as well. Halimbawa, para kay Doktora Solano, for Dr. Solano. So here I said Doktora. That means that Dr. Solano is female. If he was male, I would say Doktor Solano. Isa pang halimbawa, para kay General Luna, for General Luna. Para kina Profesor Magbanwa at Profesora Ong, for Professor Magbanwa and Professor Ong. Again, I said Profesor here, so that means that Profesor Magbanwa is male. And I said Profesora here, therefore Profesora Ong is female. Now, how about para sa? You use para sa if the name of the person was not stated. Halimbawa, para sa babae, for the woman. Para sa lalaki, for the man. Para sa gwardiya, for the guard. Para sa profesor, for the professor. It could also be plural like para sa mga mamamayan, for the citizens. Okay, so I'm gonna read this again. Mamamayan. Again, mamamayan. Para sa mga empleyado, for the employees. Para sa mga anak niya, for his or her kids. You should also use para sa if you will be using pronouns like for me, for you, for him or her, for them, etc. Halimbawa, para sa akin, para sa iyo, para sa kanya, para sa atin. Now, in Tagalog, we have subject pronouns, which we use if the pronouns are used as the subject. We have non-subject pronouns, which we use for pronouns when they are not the subject of the sentence. And then we have the possessive pronouns, which we use to express ownership or possession. In Tagalog, if you notice, we use the possessive pronouns after para sa, okay? Not the subject nor the non-subject pronouns, but the possessive pronouns. So take note of that. By the way, if you're not familiar with the Tagalog possessive pronouns, I have a video discussing it, and I will place the link at the upper right corner of this video and at the description. And lastly, you can also use para sa if it is not for a person or persons, like para sa kalikasan, for the environment, para sa mga hayop, for the animals, para sa pusa ko, for my cat, para sa bansa, for the country. Okay, how about we try using them in sentences? Bumili ako ng mga bulaklak para kay Hilda. I bought flowers for Hilda. So you just do it how you would normally form the Tagalog sentences. So I bought flowers is bumili ako ng bulaklak. We started the sentence with the verb before the subject because that's how we usually do it. And then you just add the para kay Hilda at the end. Isa pang halimbawa, gumawa siya ng sulat para kay Abel. He or she made a letter for Abel. Nagluto si Andres ng bulalo para kina Joanna at Riza. Andres cooked bulalo for Joanna and Riza. Nagsisikap siya para sa mga anak niya. He or she is working hard for his or her kids. If you just want to say that something or an object is for someone, like this, the cell phones are for the employees. So you say it like this, ang mga cellphone ay para sa mga empleyado. We started the sentence with ang mga cellphone, just like in English, right? The cell phones. And then, ay. And then, para sa mga empleyado, or for the employees. Now, if you're going to form the sentence like this, never forget to put I right here, okay? Because if you can remember from my previous video, if the subject starts the sentence in Tagalog, we put I after it. Now, if you haven't seen that video, you should check it out. I will also place the link at the upper right corner of this video and at the description. Now, another way of saying this is para sa mga empleyado ang mga cellphone. So basically, you just switch the two. And then, of course, you remove the I because this time, the Tagalog sentence did not start with the subject. Isa pang halimbawa, ang isda ay para sa pusa ko. Or you can say, para sa pusa ko ang isda. Again, we have the word I right here because we started the sentence with the subject. And then here, there's no I. Ang mga pagkain ay para sa mga hayop. The food are for the animals. Or you can say, para sa mga hayop ang mga pagkain. And last example, ang mga regalo ay para sa kanya. The gifts are for him or for her. Or you can say, para sa kanya ang mga regalo. Well, that is it for today's video. If you like this, give us a thumbs up. That really helps the channel. And for more videos like this, you may subscribe to this channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.